Hi everybody, welcome to Vamos Dance. I am Özgür Demir.
I'm İlksun.
İlksun Okdere Demir.
Okdere Demir.
Yes. In this video, we would like to help you, especially for beginners, not to have common mistakes, okay? 5 biggest mistakes of the tango beginners. After you hug each other, you start dancing tango, or you are taking the tango classes for the first time. You try to figure out how you're gonna dance looking down to the feet. Okay, so from the feet, trying to understand what is the situation, what you have to do, or all the other things. So that's not possible. That's the first thing. Looking at the feet, there will be 4 feet to watch, and it will be a lot more confusing than looking up and seeing only one face in front of you. So that's the first mistake to do. Please do not look down. This is an important recommendation for women and for men. So this is not how we started. Normal height, you have it. Head is up, looking straight forward, okay? And seeing your partner in the middle of the picture, and as much as possible you are trying to see the half of the room to the direction you are looking at. So it is good to see with whom you are dancing. And then second mistake. What is the second mistake, İlksun? Embrace. You think you have to hold your partner very tight, and you think sometimes you want to inform your partner through the embrace. Kind of. It's a logical, but the embrace role is, first of all, hugging each other and nicely, smoothly letting each other feel what is happening on the body of each other, okay? So the hands relax, arms relax, shoulders are relaxed. You have a good posture. You go through weight transfer, and through the weight transfer there will be little movement on the embrace, and the partner will feel that. So in tango there is no squeezing, pulling, pushing, lifting, none of this. There is only hugging more, but not squeezing, not using the rolling your hands kind of wrestling, okay? All the joints are available for different movements, variety of movements. When the movements are changed, the embrace will adapt. So please do not harm each other, okay? Let the partner breathe and feel comfortable and pleasant in the embrace. So that was the second thing. The third biggest mistake is not walking naturally, okay? You are thinking when you start dancing, most probably you will step on each other, and because you are afraid of that, everybody will start moving differently. For example, the woman will start stepping quicker because she doesn't want the man step on her foot. That's one error, one mistake. And the man will be afraid of harming the woman, then he will start walking like a cowboy. So opening the legs too widely, okay? Ideally, we are we are connected through the rhythm we are listening. And if we are on the same timing, when I start walking, my partner, if she follows the rhythm, she will walk exactly the same way I do, and we're gonna keep the distance between each other. So there is no way to stepping on each other, okay? When you try not to step on your partner, this idea kind of pull you into stepping on your partner. So be cool and just take the step, but without any rush. Doesn't matter which direction we are going. If we are on the same rhythm, then there won't be any problem. So in tango, we always walk straight lines, straight forward, straight backwards, and straight to the side. Okay, so no weird walking, too crossing, too wide. So be careful with that. Okay, so the fourth one is not listening the music. As we said, to ignore the mistake of third mistake, you have to be connected with the music. So without listening the music, only moving any direction, trying to do anything without clearly showing your reference time, it just no sense. Okay, first of all, if you are not connected with the music, if you are not listening to music, everything we are doing has no meaning. First of all, they are not emotionally supported, and then also it is a huge surprise for the partner because she has no idea when you're gonna do what. So in tango we have 8 strong beats to follow. So when you hear the music, the first rhythm you hear is the number 1, and that's the strongest one, and it goes all the way from 1 to 8 equal metronome beat. So we always follow that. Even when you are transferred the way to start the first way to communicate, it is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you walk, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anything you do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure you work on with metronome to understand with the equal amount of the time you are doing the steps. So it is very much feelable, even the seeable for your partner. Okay, so listen to the music before you do anything. Do too many steps. If you know a lot of steps, then you can dance nicely. No, this is an illusion. Okay, we don't need so many steps to dance tango and enjoy tango. We only need to feel what we are doing and emotionally supported everything we do, and it is connected with the music. Less is more, people, not too many steps. I know it looks so cool when you start dancing, you see the little bit advanced dancer doing a lot of figures, going one direction to the other direction, going from one movement then the other movement. But this is, if you go with this attitude, basically you do all the list we are giving it to you right now wrongly. With the attitude of doing a lot of steps, it will make you first of all look at down to be able to do figures, then pull and push your partner because you are in a rush. You will not listen to the music because you are too busy with doing steps, and you will never find the good lines to walk. Okay, so too many steps makes you a good dancer. No way. Less is more. Stay with the music, enjoy hugging each other with a good embrace, walk with a good lines, do less but feel more. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel and keep supporting us. We will keep working for you here. Thank you very much and see you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.